I'm going to show you how to convert and include your Google Slides in a Google Vid. This is a great way to create content, especially for kids who miss class. You can make a video out of your Google Slides, or if you just want to try something different. Um, so I'm going to use the Google Slides I recently created for my team. It's okay. It's just a little tutorial, little overview, but just using it as an example. So I'm going to start in Google Vids, and once I open up just a blank vid, I'm going to click File and then Convert Slides. And then here's the slide deck that I'm going to use. And then I can choose which ones I want. At the bottom, you'll see include AI voiceover script and background music. I can leave that on or I can turn that off and I can modify that later. I'm going to leave that on to see what it does. So this might take a minute. Okay. Google Vids does have a limit of 10 minutes, and that's across the board for everyone. The other thing that I want to take a look at is I don't like the square. So I wonder if I can change that somehow. There we go. There we go. So that more closely adds, or more closely looks like the Google Slides, and I can play this to see. I don't know if that you'll really hear it based on the way I'm recording. Provides an overview of once. The process involves to automatically provision data and export it. It is going pretty fast, I think, because it shortened a whole bunch of things. So I'm going to just delete all of these things here. And that's okay. Let's see. Let's get rid of all of this. My goodness, there's a lot of it. And I'm just selecting it with my mouse and hitting backspace. Okay. And then I'm going to delete that blank one. There we go. So now that you have it in here, you can add some audio if you want. If you want to go back to Gemini and create some audio that would be like nice music in the background or music that relates to this topic, whatever you want to do. You can record your own voiceover as well if you'd like to do that. And I think you can have it generate a voiceover. So yeah, play around with all of these tools, but it's nice to be able to just upload a Google slide deck into Vids and then create a video out of it. And once you're done, or what, you can check it out by hitting the play button here, or you can play it and it'll go in full screen mode so that you can see what it looks like before you share it out. And to share it, you would just click the share button. You would want to rename that, and then general access. Usually when it's something like this, you can say anyone with a link. You can also add your Google Classroom up here if you just want to share it, or you can attach it in Google Classroom that way with just those kids. Totally up to you. And that's it for this video.